Hello student, welcome back in my channel. Today my chapter name is Human Reproduction. In this chapter it is a very interesting chapter of biology. So we discuss about male reproductive system. In this topic may I discuss with you different parts of male reproductive system and some reproductive events in human. So let us start. Some important points we discuss with you in reproductive events in human included. In human, some process are going on there. Gametogenesis is the first process because they prepare the gametes for the fusion. So what is the gametogenesis? Gametogenesis means formation of gametes. That means sperm in males and ovum in females, because both gametes are formed in human. That's why in male gametes are there sperm and in female gametes are there ovum. So let's gametogenesis, what's there? It's a formation of the gamete. Now next event is insemination. Insemination means transfer of sperm into female genital tract. It means sperm can enter in the female genital tract. That process is known as their insemination. Fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes leading to the formation of zygote. It means fertilization की process what is there? They can male and female both gametes are fused inside the uterus and form the zygote. That process is known as the fertilization. Now what next terminology and next event is there? Implantation. After fertilization, implantation. What is implantation? It means formation and development of blastocysts and its attachment to the uterine wall. It means जब zygote बन जाता है तो they can implant in the uterine wall. In the name nominee is there blastocyst. They doing the development inside the uterine wall. So that process is known as that implantation. Now next is topic is terminology is there. Gestation. Gestation means baby are growing inside the uterine wall. So whole embryonic development of the baby inside the uterine wall, that period is known as the gestation. Now what is the parturition? Parturition is means baby fully are developed inside the uterine wall. So delivery of the baby, it means जब baby delivered करता है, that process is known as their parturition. Now these terminology included in this chapter. Now next topic is there the male reproductive system. In male reproductive system, in humans, the male reproductive system is located in pelvis region and consists of the four parts: pair of testes, accessory duct and accessory gland, external genitalia. In this picture you see there in diagrammatic view of reproductive events. First is there gametogenesis. Look at there. In here different types are structures. You see, this one is the ovum and this one is the sperm. Ovum is the female gamete and sperm is the male gamete. Now they are prepared for formation of the gametes. Now insemination, what there? Insemination, you see this diagram is the uterus, that is the female reproductive part. In female reproductive part, sperm can enter by the vagina. This one is their female genital tract. So sperm are entered from the female genital tract inside the uterus. That process is known as insemination. Now in fertilization, sperm enter into the female genital tract in here, you see in their side, and ovum come from their fallopian tube by the fimbria. They can fuse in here, that's known as their ampulla, fallopian tube is the 1/3 part, or they can fuse it. That fusion of male and female gametes are called the zygote. Now see there, fusion of male and female, both gametes are here. They can fuse and form the zygote. That process is known as the fertilization. And after fertilization is implantation, because they can fuse and form the zygote. Zygote are developed in their blastocyst. Blastocysts are implanted in with the uterine यूट्राइन वॉल के थ्रू वो ब्लास्टोसिस्ट उसमें पेस्टेड हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से वो डेवलपमेंट वहाँ पे शुरू करते हैं. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज known as implantation. And after implantation, the embryo are formed. They are growing the baby inside the uterus. That process is known as gestation. Gestation is the total time period of developing the baby inside the uterus. So this process is called the gestation. Baby can develop completely, and total developing time period is known as gestation. This one is the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system can divide into the 4 parts: pair testes, accessory duct, accessory gland, genital, external genitalia. External genitalia is their penis. Now you see in here pair testes, and after that accessory duct. Accessory duct are divided into the 4 parts: retitestis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. Now accessory glands is further divided into the prostate. Prostate, in bracket I am written the 1 I written there. It's a prostate gland is 1 in numbers, that's why. Seminal vesicles is numbered in 2, and the corpus gland is also in there 2. It means they are in the pairs, they are also in a 1 pairs. Now this one is the accessory gland, and after that accessory gland is external genitalia, is the penis. Now come in this topic. This one is the testis. In testis, first point you see, the testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called a scrotum. देखिए, testes are situated in the scrotum. Scrotum है एक pouch like structure जिसमें inside testes are situated are there. In this diagram you see downside in there, this one is the scrotum. Scrotum एक skin folding like structures होता है. That's a outside the abdominal cavity. It is a pouch like, because testes are situated in here. ठीक है, तो this one is their scrotum, and testes are situated inside the scrotum. The scrotum keeps the testis at a temperature 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the internal body temperature, which is necessary for spermatogenesis. Scrotum work is there, maintain the temperature for the formation of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis के formation के लिए scrotum temperature को maintain करता है. They are 2 से 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the internally body temperature. Our body temperature is there 37 degrees Celsius. They can maintain for the formation of the sperm. Now each testis, now third point is there, each testis is a oval in shape with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeter and width of about 2 to 3 centimeter and is covered by the dense covering. Now in testis जो होती है, it's a oval in shape. टेस्टिस का शेप जो होता है वो ओवल होता है. उसकी जो लेंथ है 4 to 5 सेंटीमीटर होती है, एंड ब्रेथ आर देयर 2 to 3 सेंटीमीटर. It's a dense covering, that's testis. Now fourth point you see, each testis is divided into the about 250 compartments called the testicular lobules. Now see the diagram for you better understand. This one is the diagram of testis. In testis you see there, इस तरीके से 250 कंपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. ये 250 कंपार्टमेंट्स इज़ नोन एज दे आर द टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स. इस टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स के अंदर ही सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स होती हैं 1 to 3 इन लेयरिंग द. So in this diagram, this one is their testis. ब्लैक कलर के मैंने जो आउटलाइनिंग कंपार्टमेंट के थ्रू की है, दैट्स आर टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स. इन टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स हैव अ 250 कंपार्टमेंट्स इन ईच टेस्टिस. ईच टेस्टिकुलर lobules consist of seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubule 1 to 3 highly coiled. ये 1 से 3 नंबर्स में बहुत ही हाईली कॉल्ड होती है. दैट्स द seminiferous tubules and this like structure you see in here. In blue pen I see draw the diagram. Now in seminiferous tubules 1 to 3 highly coiled. Inside the seminiferous tubules 2 types cells are there. Spermatogonia and Sartori cells. Now see this one, 2 cells are inside the seminiferous tubules. Now in C there, which cells are consisting? Spermatogonia and Sartori cells. Spermatogonia do the meiotic cell division and produce the sperm inside the seminiferous tubules, and Sartori cells are there. They provide the nourishment to the germ cells, and outside the seminiferous tubules consist of the blood vessels, Leydig cells, immunological component. Now in Leydig cells secrete the male sex hormones called the androgens. This one is the diagrammatic view of the testis for your understanding. In first diagram I am show there कि it's testicular lobules in here, not including the seminiferous tubules. In testicular lobules are the compartment is 250 are there. Inside the testicular lobules are the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are included 1 to 3 highly coiled tubules, and inside the seminiferous tubules 2 cells are there. First is there spermatogonia and second is there Sartori cells. Spermatogonia are responsible for the formation of sperm by the meiotic cell division. They produce the sperm, and Sartori cell give the nourishment. And outside the seminiferous tubules some part are consisting. One is their blood vessels, Leydig cells and immunological component. Now Leydig cells secrete the male sex hormone, that's called the androgen. Come in the next topic is their accessory duct. Accessory duct, the male accessory duct consists of rete testis, vas efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. Now the seminiferous tubules open into the vas efferentia through the rete testis. In see this diagram, this one is the rete testis. Testicular lobules के अंदर seminiferous tubules है. Seminiferous tubules open in vas efferentia by the rete testis. Okay. Now vas efferentia open into the epididymis. Epididymis included in here by the vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules open into the vas efferentia through the rete testis. The vas efferentia leave the testis open into the epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testis. The epididymis leads to a vas deferens that ascend into the abdominal cavity. Vas deferens जो होता है वो अब abdominal cavity के अंदर आ जाएगा. It means they are situated in the pelvic cavity. It means अभी जितना पोर्शन था vas efferentia and epididymis तक का पोर्शन they are outside the abdominal cavity, but vas deferens is there the inside in the pelvic cavity. Its loop over the urinary bladder and receive a duct from the seminal vesicles to form ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport the sperm from the testis to the outside through the urethra. Now the urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to its external opening called the urethral meatus. The male accessory glands include a pair of seminal vesicles, a prostate, and a pair of bulbourethral glands that called the corpus gland. The secretion of these glands collectively called the seminal plasma. Seminal plasma is rich of fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. The secretion of birth or urethral glands secrete mucus to lubricate the penis during coitus. External genitalia. Penis is the external genitalia in human males. It is made up of special erectile tissue that help in secretion of the penis to help in the insemination. The distal part of the penis is enlarged and is called the glans penis. It is covered by the loose fold of skin called the foreskin. In this diagram you see there, this one is the foreskin, outer skin of the penis, that's a foreskin. Inside there, that's a glans penis. Now this one structure is there, front view of inner details. This one is the male reproductive system. Part of testis is open to show inner details. It is the front view of there, the male reproductive part.